I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Parting the way that I stay, there's nothing else to compare. The sight of you makes me weak. There are no words left to speak. So if you feel like I feel, please let me know